Hey, this is Terry with Etched Glass Doors in Wesley Chapel, Florida. I just wanted to show you how we ship out our doors. I sell the door, I sell the glass, and I do the etching. We put on whatever etching it is that you'd like. This customer is getting an 8-foot door with 2 side lights. So they don't come attached. The installers will put them in the whole opening as they need with shims and stuff. So no problem there. They're used to that. That's the only way to transport these because this is extremely heavy. This is impact glass. We also sell non-impact glass too. So that's all Florida hurricane approved. We also have the Miami Dade hurricane approved, which is an upgrade. Most of Florida sells the windborne debris doors. These are all Class Pro doors. I always use stainless steel ball bearing hinges and composite jambs. So nothing on this door will ever rot, okay, because there is no exposed wood, unlike other manufacturers. The other good thing about Class Pro doors is that there is a steel beam inside of these doors that makes them very strong. They're the strongest doors in the market in the fiberglass door industry. I think they're stronger than wood doors and much better for Florida too, because they don't swell with the humidity. But anyway, you can choose any design you like. You can choose whatever glass you'd like in them, whether you want a clear background or you want a privacy background. This is what we call the background, and you put on whatever design you want. So we're looking at the outside, okay? So you put them on the outside, the design on the outside, because you want it to be easily seen from the street from a distance. Of course, you'll always see it from inside. Even if you have the privacy texture, you can see the design through the privacy texture. Of course, it's not as clear as seeing it from the outside because the outside layer is a smooth clear glass. The inside on a textured privacy insert will have a texture which ripples and distorts the very background area. So anyway, let me know what kind of needs you have, what kind of height door you need, standard height door or tall, and we can go from there. You can choose any design you like, whether you need impact or non-impact. We just put all those details together and you pay for it online. Next thing you know, it's showing up at your door and we'll ship it right to you. So give me a call, we'll work through this. Or you can use my door estimate inquiry form online. So if I happen to be in the sandblast booth, I will call you back right away. As soon as I get out, as soon as I get cleaned up. So thank you. This is Terry with Etched Glass Doors. Thank you.